Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a long time. I wish I'd done this when the workshop was a bit tidier. But anyway, we're back. We're back. This time, the PCX has gone away. Still got the Suzuki, still got the Harley. But we're back and we have an Nmax 125. This is a 2024 plate, so it's a 2021 to 2024 model. I'm just going to be fitting an apron on it because it's going to be peeing down for like a fortnight and I need it for work. Be doing a wee review on this one shortly. And then we're going to be fitting a big screen. We're going to be doing a luggage rack, which is sitting there. Sorry, see the state of the place. As soon as I find the pedal that lifts up my ramp, because I can't seem to put my finger on it right now, don't know where I've done it. We'll get that sorted and we'll be back shortly. On a side note, one more thing. One of the reasons it's been so quiet is that I've been focusing on my other interests. So it's maybe come up in videos before, I can't remember, but I do a lot of electronic stuff, so I've been building a lot of gaming PCs and things for people, so I'm doing it properly as a little business now. I'll be doing some stuff on there on the channel. It's called Misfit Computers. I'll put a link in the description. We'll get some videos up there shortly, and we are going to be knocking this dump down and we are going to be building, we're going to build a wall. No, we're not going to build a wall, we're going to build a garage. We're going to build a new garage and workshop there. Then we'll knock this one down and then my wife and the neighbours will be happy. Bye. Right, so I'm just filming this kind of freehand as I go. I'll need to get set up again for doing videos properly. Just fitting the termoscud to the Nmax. This one I think is actually better fit than the PCX one because it quite easily just screws. The first step is just to screw in these wee bits here, the existing bolt hole. What you need to do first of all, I'm finding, is the screws a bit thick to just go through the hole. Focus, you bugger. Just on the iPhone, you know. So I'm having to screw it into this first, then screw it in there. But it seems like a much more secure way of doing it than it did in the Nmax, just with a strap around the front. So we'll see how we go. So this is what it should look like when it's done. So snipped in, screwed in nice, screwed in nice as well. Step 2. The next step is basically the same what we're doing. We're actually in step 3 already, we're nearly done. So we have to put it on here, and again it's the screw through. So we've got the little screw there, the fairing, and we've got the little strap here. This is so much better than the Honda one. Mission accomplished again. Screwed in, done it both sides. Step D. So fasten on both sides at the bottom. Again, screws. This is so much better. Now this is one of the ones for the sticker that you get with it. So I don't really like how it's going over that, but it goes in there like that and it's going on the screw, which is just here. You can feel it just there, so this will be fun. So this is going to be one of the bits for the stickers to go here, like we said. So that's us on there with a really shitty application of the sticker. As we see, they'll get replaced probably later on with actual stickers when I get a chance. So we're on to a final step, I think, with instructions. There we go. So step D. Oh, don't speak Italian or read Italian. So step D done. And then what we're going to do is just hook it either side to that bit of the under tray underneath. This would be where we're hooking it into here. You can see that bit of light. And we're done. Clipped in. Actually clips into that little bit there to the side of that box. Just get the inflating to do. And that's us, final done. So the wee bits are inflated. I would say, I've not used it yet obviously, but I would say that was a better fit, that's properly, than the PCX 125 one. I would say that was easier and better, and it feels like it fits better, do you know what I mean? So yeah, review to come shortly. Bye.